ऑर्डिग द इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के छात्र छात्राओं ने किया आयोजन अद्वितीय रोबोटिक्स और डाई प्रदर्शनी। मुंबई ऑर्डिग द इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ठाणे के छात्रों ने आज स्कूल परिसर में अपने अद्वितीय रोबोटिक और डाई विचारों और अभिनव मॉड्यूल को प्रस्तुत किया। पहले से 10वीं कक्षा के छात्रों ने रोबोटिक्स और डाई मॉडल तैयार किया और मेहनत और फैसिलिटी को मॉडल की कार्यक्षमता के बारे में बताया। प्रदर्शनी के रोबोटिक्स भाग में एक उड़ने वाले पेंसिल, आर्डिनो यूनो का उपयोग करने वाला एक स्वचालित कूड़ेदान, एक स्वचालित सिलाई मशीन एवं स्वचालित टोल गेट, एक कीपैड के साथ एक सुरक्षित प्रणाली और अधिक रोबोटिक्स शामिल थे।
DIY means do it yourself, where the children gets hands-on practice of doing things, and so that in their walks of life also they can do something. When the children are small and they are being given opportunity to do something, obviously when they will grow up, they will come up with wonderful ideas. So our main goal is this only, in such a manner so that in their coming years they grow up with scientific temperament, with all creativity.
So it's edutainment, I think.
Yeah,
With education, you have some form of.
When we involve children, they learn more. Learning happens when we involve them. And DIY robotics or in these curriculum, they all get involved together. It's not like one-to-one learning. It's all together, collaborating and learning. Yeah. So I believe, when we collaborate children together, or when we get collaborate, we learn more. So we look forward that in coming years, the outcomes, what we are expecting, we'll get.
So what age group, what grades are we looking at for this?
So for robotics DIY, we started from grade 1 till grade 10. Okay. Every age group we cater to. The curriculum is different and there's progressive learning. So whatever they learn at grade 1, we pull up the threads from there for grade 2, grade 3 and so on.
So I see a lot of them are armed with safety gears also, so that
Absolutely.
adequate.
So learning at Orchids is